Hello, my name is Derek from Tomkat Gas Training and welcome to part 2 of this, which is the best flue gas analyzer on the market. So you've seen us send it off in part 1, so let's see which one gets back in part 2. Now, we've just tracked the analyzer's delivery back to the different companies. Now, Kane's was delivered back to Kane on the 16th of the 9th 2019, so that was yesterday, that was Monday. It's now Tuesday morning. The Bluelyzer was delivered on Friday, so the 13th of the 9th 2019 at 1:31 PM. Not heard anything back from Bluelyzer yet. And Anton was delivered again on Friday, the 13th of the 9th 2019 at 10:34. We've got the print offs for the tracking for all of them. Kane messaged yesterday, so that was Monday afternoon, because they want payment already. So I'm just going to phone Kane up now and pay.
Hi and welcome to Kane International. For our service department, service accounts payable, please press 1.
Guess it's 1 then.
Good afternoon, Kane International.
Hello, yes, can I pay for my analyzer to be calibrated, please?
Tomkat Gas Training Limited, is that correct?
That's it, yeah, Tomkat Gas Training.
Yes, 1 second. Well, that's a calibration on a Kane 456, 89 plus VAT, so it's 106.80 in total.
That's perfect.
Okay.
Going to come to the centre during the working hours, then that's fine, but if it's coming after working hours, then better go into Kate's.
Well, it'll be shipped out parcel for us today, so it should be delivered tomorrow, but that can be any time between sort of 8 o'clock and 6 at night.
Right, okay, so it's better going to Kate's then if it's, because we don't open till 9 and we shut at 4, so...
Right, okay.
Okay. Unless you can guarantee it between those times.
Well, we can't, unfortunately, because obviously we put it on an Express 24 with parcel force, but they won't limit the times.
Right, okay.
Unfortunately.
No, that's great. It can go back to Katie's house.
I presume, are you a training centre?
Yes, we are, yes.
Yeah, no problem. Right, I'll get that put through for you, and
Thanks,
it'll
mate.
be shipped out today, so hopefully it should be back with you tomorrow.
Mate, your service is amazing. Can't believe it. You only got it on bloody Monday, and it's already coming back to us tomorrow. That's amazing.
Well, we know they're important to people, you see, so we try and turn around as quickly as we can.
Thanks, mate. Amazing. Cheers, pal.
Okay.
Thanks.
Cheers.
Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, bye.
Bye. Can't beat that service, can you? Oh my God. They don't get it till Monday. They send us a text message. When did the text message come? It's 5:20 yesterday. They sent the text message through to make the payment. So 5:20. And this morning I'm paying for it and it's going to come back tomorrow. You just cannot fault that service. So hopefully they will deliver it back to Kate's place and we'll have it in the morning. So come on, Bluelyzer and Anton, get your act together and let's see when we get yours back. So hopefully we get the Kane back tomorrow, so that'll be the first one back. We'll let you know. We just got the email this morning when we've come in, so today's Wednesday, the 18th, it's 9:10. So we just got the email this morning when we come in from Bluelyzer. Okay, so Bluelyzer have sent us the invoice we need to pay now so we can get it back. They're charging us 156 quid, but that's not just for the analyzer, they also calibrate the gas sniffer as well. So I know it's more expensive than the Kane one was yesterday, but it is covering the gas sniffer as well. Okay, so I'm just going to ring Bluelyzer up now, if I can find the number.
Hello, you've got through to the answer phone of Dial Solutions. home of Blue Line Instruments. I'm sorry there's nobody here to answer your call, but if you'd like to... Good morning, Jimmy Butler.
Hi mate, it's Derek from Tomkat.
Oh, hello, you alright?
I'm alright mate, how are you?
I'm okay, yeah?
Can I pay for the calibration please?
Yes, of course you can, yeah. Hang on a sec, Derek, let me just grab something that I can write on. Yeah, go for it.
Okay, so you want the card number?
Please. Okay, I'll do that, get it sorted, and we'll get the thing back to you today, probably, so, alright.
Okay, thanks mate, you're a good one.
Absolutely. Okay, no problem, listen, I'll get it back to you, alright.
Thanks mate.
Go from there. Cheers.
Cheers pal, see you later, bye bye. Okay, so he said it's coming back today, not tomorrow, so we're just waiting on the Anton now. So come on Anton, get your act together, send us the invoice so we can get it paid and get it back. So we're looking forward to the Kane one coming back today. So in the race, it looks like Kane are coming first, Anton are coming last, and Bluelyzer are coming second. So stay tuned. First one's back, and the winner is Kane. Came to Kate's at about 5:30 yesterday, so time is 5 to 9. It's Thursday the 19th. So we sent them off on, was it Thursday? So has it taken a week to come back into the centre? So first one back was this. We should be getting the Bluelyzer back today. The Anton, they've emailed us, or the email was there this morning, so they emailed us late yesterday to tell us that, well, they've sent the invoice to say that the one what they were repairing we need to pay for, okay, and then they'll send it back. So that's, but there's no mention of the other one what just needed calibrating. Okay, so I'm going to give them a ring and going to get that paid for. So yeah, first one back is the Kane. Got the invoice to pay, so I'm going to give Anton a ring now and pay. Hello, yeah, can I pay for my calibration, please?
Yeah, can I take your postcode?
It's Tomkat Gas Training.
Was it for a quote from yesterday?
Yeah, it's for the annual service of the Sprint V and the carriage. And I think it's repair as well. The one I've sent two off. One for repair and one for calibration. Well, one for repair and calibration, one for calibration. Okay.
Hi, so yes, I've got the other one as well. The other one was just straightforward calibration, whereas the one for today needs the work carried out still. Do you want them going back together, or
Yes.
do you want?
Yes, please.
Yeah. Okay. So it's 295.32 for both of them, including carriage and VAT.
Okay.
Card number. Yeah, that's all gone through. They should be back with you Monday, Tuesday latest.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Cheers, bye bye.
Bye.
Okay, so you've heard from the lady. It's Thursday and it's coming back Monday, Tuesday. Now, one of the biggest problems we find with Anton when they send them back to us, they use a really poor delivery company and they always try and deliver about 6:30 in the morning. So we'll see whether it comes back Monday or Tuesday, but we've got a bit of a wait now, haven't we? But Kane came back. We're looking for the Bluelyzer coming back today, so hopefully they don't have the same problems. and we've got Monday, Tuesday next week. But to be fair to Anton, they've repaired one as well, and they're sending both back together. So look forward to that. So let's do something else then, till Monday, Tuesday. Okie dokie, so today is Monday the 23rd of September 2019, and it's just gone 9 o'clock in the morning, and this has just come in. Now I don't know whether this is the Bluelyzer or this is the Anton, because it has no name. It just says it's a flue gas analyzer. Okay, so this is going to be interesting. This looks too big to be the Bluelyzer. It looks like it could be the two Antons, but we'll see. It might be, I don't know. Let's get it open and have a look. No, it's the Bluelyzer. So the second one back is the Bluelyzer, not the Anton. Bluelyzer is back. No Antons. So Monday. So this we sent them off on the Thursday. So mind you, we've got the weekends as well. But Kane first, Bluelyzer second. So that puts Anton in last place. And the final one has finally arrived. The Anton, last place. I can tell it's an Anton. It's written all over the box. So the time is just gone 1 o'clock on Tuesday the 24th of September 2019. And Anton, you're last. It's I think you need to get your act together, Anton. You way behind everybody else. You received the analyzer back first and you came back last. But you know, to be fair, you did repair one as well, so there is that. But you need to get these back to the engineers a bit quicker than you are doing. So let's get the old screws on the doors. Where'd I get that from? Anyway, you know what's happening. Let's just get on with it. Now we've got all the analyzers back, we can now put our scores on the scoreboard. So we're going to give 5 points to the winner, 3 points to the second, and 1 point for coming last. Okay, now from the video you'll probably see as well, this wasn't just about sending the analyzers off, this was about the customer service as well. Now in our industry, Anton have a really poor reputation for customer service, but for us that's unfair because our rep is amazing. She'll come into the centre on a regular basis, she books her own appointments, she engages with the trainees, she shows them how to use the analyzers, she goes through all their products. So for us, Anton's our rep is amazing. But when you phone them up to get your Anton calibrated and you want to get it back quick, it doesn't really seem to happen. Now, Kane have a great reputation for customer service, but for us, we never see our rep. They've not engaged with us, they've not helped in this video, they've not done anything, basically. But when we sent the analyzer back, the guy on the phone was amazing, and the service was amazing. Bluelyzer are slightly different, they're a family-run firm. They've been into the centre a couple of times, but they don't come into the centre because they don't have sales reps, it's just a family-run firm. But they're on the end of the phone, so if we have any problems, they're on the phone. So their customer service, when we ring them back, they're great. On the customer service side, it's your own, it's how how you're treated. So Kane, can't fault them, within 7 days it was back, so they get the 5 points. Bluelyzer, did it come back? About 9 days. So they get the 3 points. And Anton, way behind. Absolutely way behind. Okay, they get the 1 point. So that's the first test over. That's the scores on the board. Okay, so let's get on with the next test. If you've enjoyed this video, why don't you give us a thumbs up or leave a constructive comment down below. If you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, then get subscribing, and don't forget to hit that notification bell because we release new videos every Wednesday. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and see you next Wednesday for the next exciting episode of Which Analyzer is Best.